Right, question 3. A sector of circular metal plate centre O with radius 18 is removed to leave the following shape. Now, it told us the radius is 18, so we can chuck 18s in here. The length of the arc AB of the shape is 66. So, the shape here, because it says there's a sector that's been removed, but we've got this following shape. It says the arc here, AB, so they're talking about this major arc here, okay? Because they're talking about the shape that's left. And they're saying, look, that is 66 in length, okay? Calculate the size of the reflex angle AOB, correct to the nearest degree. So angle AOB is at the centre here, and because it's reflex, they want the larger angle, so they want this angle here. Okay, so we can call it X if you want, and that's what we want there. Now, to get the angle, right, we've got to sort of work backwards here, okay? And they've told us the arc length. Because they've told us the arc length, that's what we're going to work on. Remember, you work out the full circumference first, always go for the full circle. So 3.14 times then the diameter, and then the diameter is double that, which is 36. Okay? So 3.14 times 36, and you get 113.04. Remember, that's the circumference of the full circle, but I haven't got the full circle. You haven't know, a sector's been cut off, and I've got this big sector here. We've got 66, whereas the full circle circumference is 113, etc., 0.04. So to get this here, we need to consider the fraction, to me. Okay, the fraction of the circle we've got, which is x out of 360. And you would times that fraction by the full circumference, which is 113.04, and it would leave you then with the arc. And of course, the arc they've given us is 66. So then it's a case of working this out then algebraically. You know, you could take that 360 over, and as you times, dividing it, take it over and times. And of course, you could divide them by that 113.04, and you get your x out straight away. So 66 times 360 divided by 113.04, and you get out 210, okay, 0.19, so 210.2 degrees, okay, one decimal place. But it does say to the nearest degree, so we'll say 210 then. And then it says, what was the area of a piece of metal that was removed? Now, if you think about it, what was removed? Well, if x is equal to 210, the angle then that was, the sector that was removed, that angle there would be 150, because they add up to 360. So to get the area of that bit that was removed, we want this bit here, and we want this area here. So again, you know, you go to the full circle, area is pi r squared, so it'll be 3.14 times the radius squared, which is 18 squared, so 3.14 times 18 squared, and you get 1017.36. And of course, that's the full circle, but to get the sector removed, okay, the sector then will be the fraction, which is 150, of course, that's the angle we're interested in, 150 out of 360 times then 1017.36. So 150 over 360 times then 1017.36, and you get your answer then as 423.9 centimeters squared.